Okay, we're going to write a complete proof for the following. Given that EC is parallel to AB, so these two lines are parallel, we're going to prove that angle AEC is greater than angle B. Alright, so these two lines are parallel, and we're trying to prove that angle AEC, that's this angle here, is greater than angle B. Alright, the first thing this should clue you in about, right here, that an angle is bigger than another angle, should make you think of exterior angles and remote interior angles, because that's one of the only theorems that we have that has a greater than sign in it. We know that the exterior angle of a triangle is greater than any remote interior angle. We also know that these lines are parallel, and we can see that if they're cut by this transversal, then B and C are corresponding angles, and that they must be equal. So what I can see is I've got the exterior angle, AEC, of this little triangle, and I know it's going to be greater than C. And since I know C is equal to B, it also must be greater than B. So that's where we're going with this. Alright, so we'll just start out with what they give us. So number one, side EC is parallel to AB, given. And then I can say that because I know these lines are parallel, these corresponding angles are equal, so I can say that angle AEC, so no, that's not what I want to say. I want to say that angle B is equal to angle ECD. I want to say these two angles are equal. And that is parallel lines form equal corresponding angles. Alright, so that's what I get from knowing that these two lines are parallel, that these two angles are equal. Alright, now I can go with that exterior angle theorem that says angle AEC, which is this angle here, angle AEC, has to be greater than C, angle C, which is ECD. It has to be greater than this angle because it's the exterior angle of this triangle, and C is a remote interior angle. So an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than a remote interior angle. Alright, so angle B is equal to angle ECD, so I can substitute angle B in here. Since it's the same as ECD, I can just substitute it right in there. So I'm going to rewrite this inequality with B substituted for ECD. Angle AEC is greater than angle B. Substitution. And that's what I was trying to prove. That angle AEC is greater than angle B.